Damn, I know, I'm probably gonna get flamed. I can't believe you stepped on the table with shoes. Don't worry. What's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing and first impressions of the Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. So this is actually my third debut on sneakers. The first one being the Kobe 5 Protro Chaos colorway in early 2020. The second being the LeBron 20 in the Time Machine colorway. And now the third being the Jordan 1 Low in the Black Toe colorway. And I'm very happy with this purchase. Hopefully the shoe quality is as good as videos I've been seeing online, but I'm very optimistic and I think they'll be better than the bread toes that I bought on StockX a few months back. But these retailed for $140, which is pretty good. And they're in a black, white, and red colorway, which is one that I want in the Jordan 1. Specifically the high, I would love to have the lost and founds, but took an L on those, probably like many of you. So without further ado, we are going to unbox these bad boys. And they do come in the Nike's eco-friendly box. So here on the box, it says, we are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. Please help us by recycling this box. So we have this pull tab right here to unbox. Perfect. That didn't work out very well, but brute force, I guess. And if I'm a little shiny, it's very hot in my garage, so. All right, here we go. In the black and red Nike box. So this is the box that it comes in. Very simple, clean. I got mine true to size, so size 9.5, Jordan 1 Low, and I think it says OG on there. Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, white, black, varsity red, in a 9.5. All right, here we go. Ooh, these look pretty good on first look. Wow, yeah. You can already see kind of the leather here on the shoe, especially on the white part. Looks very buttery. And then here's what it looks like on the toe. And from what I've been seeing, the leather on the back heel, this red part isn't as good quality, but from the upper, at least from the black-white parts, it looks pretty good. It smells pretty good. So they are currently not laced, but they did start the lacing with the red laces. All right, let's get the second shoe out. Oh yeah, this looks pretty good. Cool, and they do come with the extra set of laces, which are black. These are probably the laces which I'm going to end up using is the black, because I prefer that look better more than the red. But what do you guys think looks better, the red or the black? As far as the shoe, very simple, clean colorway. Of course, we have the white, black, and red. The outsole is all red, of course, in your classic Jordan 1 outsole traction pattern. And then they're called black toes, so this outer part right here is black. Upper here for the toe box, white. The panel here is white on the lateral side as well as the medial side. And then we got the black swoosh on both sides. Black tongue with the red Nike Air, and then we have the red heel with Air Jordan there on the back. And wow, I'm really liking this shoe. I kind of want to lace it to see how it fits because I've heard that overall, some people recommend going down half a size, but in general, especially for casual shoes, I try to go true to size, and I think this will break in. So if it's snug, if the leather is good enough quality, then these should break in just fine. I can already tell, like just based on look and feel, that this leather is a lot better than the bread toes which I got earlier this year. And it's more similar to the Nike Airship leather which I got earlier this year as well when I was in the Philippines. So you can see this black leather has kind of a glossy finish, whereas the white is more matte finish. And then this red part on the back is definitely more of a matte finish as well. But wow, very clean, simple colorway. I think I'm going to wear these a lot. So overall, this is actually only my second pair of Jordan 1s, the first one being the bread toes that I bought. So I'm actually gonna lace these and toss them on feet to see how they fit. So give me a second. I'm actually gonna go with the black laces so you'll see how they look. Or maybe I'll lace one in the red and I'll lace one in the black and see which one looks better. So 1 second. All right, we got the left shoe laced in the red laces. And then we got the right shoe now laced in the black laces. Honestly, I still think I prefer the black over the red, but what do you think? Red or black? And then there is one thing I noticed on the right toe box is it's a little misshapen right about here. So I don't know if you could see that, but it looks kind of strange. So quality on the right shoe is not as good as quality on the left shoe, but I don't care that much because I'm going to wear these. So they're going to get creased and messed up anyways. And I think these are going to look like good beater shoes. So regardless of that, you know, quality control is hard for any sneaker, but would love it to be a little bit better, but oh well. That's what we get. So I'm going to toss these on feet and see how they feel. So let's do that. Whoa, got 9.5. Let's toss these on. I see. They are definitely looser than I thought they would be. Oh, there's a lot of space in here. Maybe I will tie them a little bit tighter. But that's fine. I don't mind my casual shoes being a little bit looser fitting than my shoes I play basketball or volleyball in. So I can get this. All right, on feet look. Bam, we got the black laces here. That's what they look like. Yep, these are a lot looser than I thought they would be. Oh, there goes the crease. And then here on the other shoe, got the red laces. These, they feel good. I'm not gonna put all my weight on this table because this is like a utility table, but overall, they feel pretty good. Just looser than I expected. So you might be able to go a half size down actually based on this fit because they are pretty loose, which is good because then maybe I don't have to untie my laces every time. But yep, that's the on foot look. So overall, very happy with these shoes. They're probably gonna end up being shoes I wear a lot. So casual shoes I picked up this year, the other Jordan 1 lows in the bread toe colorway, the reimagined white cement Jordan 3s, which I wear a lot, the Nike Airships in the tech gray colorway, and now these. So this will definitely be in the rotation. I think I will wear these actually a lot. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Did you cop a pair or did you at least try to cop a pair? As far as shoes I plan to purchase for the rest of the year, probably not any more casual shoes, more on the performance side. So I am considering for performance, the Jordan 38, the Sabrina 1, and the Jordan 21s. I'm leaning towards the Sabrina ones, and I did put out a poll today on community to see what people are most excited for, and the Sabrina ones were taking the lead, and I think followed by the Jordan 21s and then the Jordan 38s, or sorry, LeBron 21s. So we'll see. And to come up with the funds for the next performance shoe, I'm actually going to try to sell some shoes I currently have to be able to purchase those. So I'll probably post a video later about what shoes I'm trying to sell and what they sell for, and then have like a running fund total until I am able to save enough money to buy my next pair of shoes, because this is not cheap. But that's gonna do it for this video. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty exciting. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.